Hey, what's up, everybody? Yes, it's that time again, that time of the month. Loot Crate DX has come through for, let's see. What? Yes. So, box still ain't came in. Still waiting on my DX box for February, which is Transformation. That still hasn't came in. My March boxes for regular Loot Crate and Loot Crate DX for Cosmic still hasn't been arrived yet. So that's 3 boxes. 3 that I'm waiting on right now. I did get an email about the update on that yesterday, I believe, saying, "Oh, we're sorry, they've been delayed a little bit further." But then today I got an email saying that one has been shipped. So this week I should be getting at least 1 box, maybe 2, maybe all 3. So be on the lookout for 3 more videos coming out for the Loot Crate. And they're really behind. But hey, at least I'm still getting my stuff. I better get something, man. We should get a discount. But anyways, keep an eye out. I'll be back. And sorry for the April Fools, but hey, somebody's got to do it, right? All right, you guys. Peace.